Well, there it goes again. I just heard a really big rumbling noise. It wasn't no regular lightning and thunder. So, I mean, cause like I don't see any fucking. I mean, I'm looking at the Weather Channel. Wait, hold on. Weather Channel. I don't know if you can see that. Nothing about no lightning and thunder. And this guy keeps rumbling. Look, yet again. Wait, hold on. Wait, look. Clear. 54. No lightning and thunderstorms. I keep hearing rattling and you keep fucking seeing the light. There it is again. And again. And if it was lightning and thunder, where's the light? Can't get the thunder, but where the fuck is the light?